Train your English voice with the passive tense. Is done becomes was done. When we use a passive verb, we say what happened to the subject. To find the subject, we will look for the words after the verb. To form the present simple passive, we will use is or are plus past participle. To form the past simple passive, we will use was or were plus past participle. Is sung becomes was sung. Is blown becomes was blown. Let's look at some example sentences. Present simple active. Adele sings the song. We see the subject will be the song as it comes after the verb sings. We see it's the present tense, so we will use is or are plus past participle, and the sentence becomes the song is sung by Adele. Our next example, past simple active. Adele sang the song. We see it's the past tense, so we will use was or were plus past participle. We know the song is the subject, so the sentence becomes the song was sung by Adele. Our next example, the wind blows the balloons. We know the subject comes after the verb. The verb is blows, so the subject is the balloons. We see the subject is plural. It is present tense, so we use is or are plus past participle. We will use are because the subject is plural, and the sentence becomes the balloons are blown by the wind. Our next example, the wind blew the balloons. We see it's the past tense, so we will use was or were plus past participle. We see the subject, the balloons, is plural, so we will use were, and the sentence becomes the balloons were blown by the wind. Let's have a look at some of our own examples. Jerry eats the whole pizza. We see it's the present tense, so we will use is or are plus past participle. The subject comes after the verb, so the subject is the whole pizza, and the sentence becomes the whole pizza is eaten by Jerry. Our next example, past. Jerry ate the whole pizza. We see it's the past tense, so we will use was or were plus past participle. The subject is still the whole pizza, so the sentence becomes the whole pizza was eaten by Jerry. Our next example, the children picked 50 flowers. We see it's the past tense, so we will use was or were plus past participle. We see the subject comes after the verb, 50 flowers, and the subject is plural, so we will use were, and the sentence becomes 50 flowers were picked by the children.